In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rig headset to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use your Rig headset on consoles such as PlayStation, Xbox, of course PC, but also your iPhone. To do this, instead of using the USB dongle, as long as your Rig headset features Bluetooth connectivity, you will be able to connect it wirelessly. So keep that in mind. If the specific rig headset model that you are using does not have Bluetooth, then you will have to find another way to connect it. Usually this would be done with a dongle or by inputting it into any of the available USB-C, USB-A, or headphone jack ports available if you have those. Now, if you have Bluetooth, which is by far the most convenient method, all that you have to do to pair your headset with a Bluetooth device is to press and hold the mode button. So as you can see highlighted here on the Rig Pro 600 AS, it is going to be this little button at the top. By pressing and holding this for more than 6 seconds, you will hear the prompt voice say pairing Bluetooth. The headset LED will be flashing blue, indicating that it is now ready to be paired or in pairing mode, and all that you have to do on your iPhone is to go over to the settings, enable Bluetooth, and from the list of devices, you should be able to find Rig 600 Pro. As long as the headset is currently in pairing mode and Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone and you choose that as the device that you want to connect, you will be good to go. It is going to be connected and now ready to use. You will be able to use it as an input and output device, meaning that you can hear all of the audio originating from your iPhone, and you will be able to use the microphone available on the headset. And like I mentioned previously, if for whatever reason you cannot use Bluetooth, either because the specific model of rig headset that you are using does not feature Bluetooth or Bluetooth does not work on your phone, then you will have to connect it with a cable, usually USB-C or a 3.5mm jack, or you will have to use the USB dongle to connect it wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rig headset to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.